Hi guys, today we're talking about finding the perimeter. When we're talking about regular rectangles, which means they have opposite equal sides, meaning the top and the bottom are equal to each other, and each side is equal to each other. So 4 sides in all. That's when we have a formula. Perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. You're adding the 4 sides together. For this rectangle, we're going to count the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 inches. I got inches from the key up top, which is really important to look for. Because we know this is a regular rectangle, we know that 7 on top means 7 inches on the bottom. Now we count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 inches on this side, and because it's a regular rectangle, we know 5 inches on this side. If we look at the perimeter formula, we can do perimeter equals 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. We have all 4 numbers in our equation. 7 plus 7 we know is 14, plus 5, that's easy, 10. So perimeter equals 14 plus 10. Let's try some mental math and do 14 plus 10. That's 24 inches. We always want to make sure to label our answer with the correct unit. Because the key told me 1 square is 1 square inch, we know that it's 24 inches. Now we're talking about irregular shapes and how to find the perimeter of irregular shapes. Obviously, this is not a regular rectangle as we don't have opposite equal sides. There's some odd parts and ends, but the idea of perimeter does not change. We're still going to add all sides. Okay? So first we need to count each side, and I like to label each side as I count it. So let's start with the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 feet, looking at my key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 feet across the bottom. 1 foot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 1. Now this has way more sides than 4 in a regular rectangle. This side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides to it. So we need to make sure that we're adding 8 numbers together. Let's start with an equation. Perimeter equals 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now that's a long equation that we have up top here. So what I like to do is find similar numbers or easy numbers to add in my head. What screams out at me is 1, 1, and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we can automatically bring that down. Perimeter equals 3 plus, what other numbers do we see? We have a few 5s here. 5s are easy to count in your head. 5, 10, 15. So 3 plus 15. And now we have 9 and 7. Now 9 and 7. 9 we can finish the 10. So 10, and we have 6 left, right? We can break that up. 6 and 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10, and plus our remainder 6. So we have 16. Now it gets a little trickier because we need to add these 3 larger numbers together. First, we can do 3 plus 15. So 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, and bring down our 16. Okay? Now I like to add on top of each other. So I'm going to put 18 on top of 16. And we're adding 8 plus 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So bring down the 4 and carry that 14, that 10 that's in the 14. Now we have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, and bring it down. So now we have perimeter equals 34, and it's super important to remember to put the unit. We know our unit is feet, so I'm putting feet down here. And it's also really important to remember to put your answer on a line that asks you for the answer. So that's finding the perimeter with irregular shapes.